Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create a bookable resource in field service. So what are bookable resource? Bookable resource refer to a people, assist or equipment that you can schedule for service task or job. So right now this is a service area. So I want to change my area as resource. So now click on that. So as you can see a list of all my active resources. Let's now walk through the process of creating bookable resource for equipment. Now click on new button from here, and first thing you will need to do is select a resource type. So this define what the resource is and how it relate to your organization. So generic resource is a placeholder or a type of resource that does not belong to any specific category like people, equipment or facilities. Account and contact are utilized for subcontractors and provide flexibility in scheduling implementation. End user anyone using the field service mobile app including field technician. And equipment for large tool machine and vehicles. So facility is a physical location or building where service are provided or work need to be done. For example, warehouse, office building or a factory that requires maintenance. Crew is a group of people, technician or workers that are assigned to a job together. For example, a team of 3 technicians working together to install a large machine or system. And pool refer to a group of resources, people, equipment or vehicles that are available for booking but don't need to be assigned to a specific resource at the time. For example, like a pool of 5 service vehicles on group of technicians who can assign to any job depending on a availability. Now create bookable resource for equipment. So here give the name as Karthik and now select the time zone. So click on drop down. So now I am selecting this time zone. So this piece of equipment operate with this time. Now click on save button. Now associate work to my schedule board. So first change the area. Now click on resources area and then click on service. And from here, now click on schedule board. So what can I do? So I can scroll down and find the resources. And from here, you can search resource. I am search as Karthik. So now unscheduled work order and that need to be booked so that I can associate these to this resource. So then I can schedule that work to be done by this piece of equipment. So in this video, we covered how to create a bookable resource in field service. Thanks for watching.